Hey guys, my name is Arush from NASA Nigel, and welcome to episode 2, also known as Unit 2 of How to CAD. This is Intro to Sketches. So, this will cover the basic tools in Sketch and the Dimension tool. So, here I am in the Part Studio. Part Studios are tabs in which you can create different parts that you can use and you can put together in assemblies, which I'll talk about later. So, first, we'll talk about sketches, which the video is about. So, now I will show you how sketches work. So, basically, there's this button called Sketch here, and you'll want to click it. And then now you can click any of these planes that you want to do, and later on, like whatever you want to draw on. And later on, when you actually have a shape, you can draw like off the planes of the faces of the shape. So here I'm gonna click top, and I'm also gonna click top here, so you can see it says Sketch 1. And now there's many different tools. You see the tools look different now. There's so many tools up here. I'm only gonna be going through the basics in this video. So here's the first one. We have lines. So this, I think it automatically makes you do a second one, and then if you click this again, then it goes to a circle. I'm gonna just finish off the shape. You can make any shape with your lines, right? So, and if you ever want to cancel a sketch, you can just click this. So I'm gonna make a sketch again. Next one is rectangles. So there's three types of rectangles. So, and the first one is a corner rectangle, which is just one corner and another. You drag it. Second one is a center point. So you center, you go to a different point. That's how you make it. And then third is aligned rectangle. So it's one, then another one, and then it goes down. So it's basically the original line and then how far up or down it's going from there. That's what it is. Next, there are circles. So there's three circles. One is the center and then out. You can see here it tells you whatever the radius or something is. So now 3.1, 2, 3. And then the ellipse, which is 1, 2, 3. So it's the center, how far up or in any sort of way, and then how wide the other way. Make another sketch. Next is arcs. Which are these. I know it says tangent arc, but here's a 3-point arc. One. You click another point and you go up or down. And you see how it goes yellow? It means basically aligned. Like I could just click it here, but it's aligned. So this is like a perfect arc here. And you can't see them when they're 2D, but you can turn them 3D, which I will show you. This is the only arc I'll show you for this first one. Or no, I'll show you more. So there's a tangent arc, which I can't do right now because it has to be like a part of something. And there's a center point, like the center. Then you make it based off that. So I could probably make like almost a whole circle from this. Anyways, whenever it's always shaded in blue. Like if you see here, if I do this, you see how it's shaded in. Then we have inscribed polygons, which you would click something. You click how long you want it. Then you go up or down to see how many faces you want it. Yeah, that's inscribed. And then there's a spline, which you click one side, click another. You can like basically curve it. And actually, if you can click, there's a trim button. And this, you can basically like take off like certain points. Like I took off that, and I'm gonna take this and this off. And now it's just these. So trim basically just cuts certain parts. Now I will teach you the most important thing probably in sketches. So you would take, let's say I take a circle, I put it out to here, but I don't like this dimension. So you can either click the ruler up, or not the ruler, this up here, and you click on the side, and then you can type in what you want it. So I want it to be 50 inches, and then it would be like that. Or if I want it to be like 0.3 inches, and it'd be 0.2, sorry, it'd be super small. If you click in the middle and you go out, oh, okay, I clicked on a line, so that's basically gonna be like the distance from the line. So if I make that like 10, oh, okay, this just doesn't work. I think it doesn't really work well. But if I do it here on like a rectangle, and I go to dimensions, which I actually just click D for that. I click this, I click this. I can do that, and you see how it has a certain amount of degrees. I could do like 10, and it would change. And that's pretty much the dimensions tool. I use it a lot. It's probably one of the most important things in FTC CAD, in any CAD, I would say. I could just go like this. Let's say I want to make a circle. I mean, sorry, a square. I go 1 inch, and then 1 inch here too. You see how the lines are white? It basically means that it's stuck in place. The other ones, I'm pretty sure you can move them around. But this one, it's just stuck. And whenever you're done with a sketch, you just click this up here, and it's in here. So now, this is a great time. I could show you, if I go like this, only this is selected. But if I go like, oh shoot. If I go like this, never mind. I'm jibber jabbering. It doesn't work right now because there's only one shape. I will show you more examples of this later. So yes, there will be more details in Unit 5, but that's it for this video. Thank you.